On Monday, the 13th of March 2023, Jonny Haggerty's life changed forever when he had a call from the police to say his younger sister was in intensive care.
You could see that she was there. She looked all right, apart from wires coming in and out. She just looked like she was asleep and she looked peaceful, but we found out then that she was basically brain dead.
Earlier that day, Danielle had been heard by a neighbour having an argument with her partner in his home. The neighbour reported that Danielle was clearly in distress, with sounds of abuse and suicidal claims. They then saw the partner lock Danielle in his flat and leave as she pleaded to be let out. Out of concern for Danielle's well-being, the neighbour called 999, while the partner just walked away. The police arrived to find Danielle unconscious. She was then taken to Tameside Hospital, but it was too late. Tell me a bit about Danielle as a person. What was she like?
Yeah, she was lovely girl. Really bubbly. She's just like full of energy. She gets on with everyone, do anything for anyone. Brilliant little sister. Great auntie to my kids and my brother's kids. She's just a really nice girl.
Jonny and his family were heartbroken, but also frustrated as the court found there was not enough evidence to charge Danielle's partner, despite him walking away when she was in clear distress. He could not be charged with gross negligent manslaughter because he did not owe Danielle a duty of care.
The way we look at negligence is we say that you're only under a duty to act if you've got a duty of care, so a pre-existing relationship, such as parent and child, teacher and pupil, doctor and patient. But there isn't that partnership or friendship within there that you talk of.
Since Danielle's death, Jonny has joined with other families to campaign for law reform in the UK. They are fighting to make it a legal duty to assist someone in immediate danger. It hopes to prevent someone from deliberately avoiding calling for help.
I do think there's a massive gap in the law where, like especially in domestic violence situations, someone can exploit it and get away with the worst things. And it's if all these families are coming forward, how many times has this happened and it's not recorded, or there's no stats to say how many times people have got away with it.
So far, their petition for Danielle's law has received over 16,000 signatures. If successful, the UK would not be the first country to have a legal duty to assist or to rescue.
So in France, it's a criminal offence not to assist somebody. Also, there are quite a few states in America, Australia and Canada that have a Good Samaritan law, which is not quite a duty to rescue, but it's where the law looks more favourably on people that have stepped in and rescued where things go wrong.
Jonny described what it would mean to his family if Danielle's law became a reality.
Obviously, it's not going to bring justice for Danielle, it's not going to bring her back, but hopefully it'll help people in the future. Either it'll encourage someone to call 999 when someone's in immediate danger, or it'll also hold people accountable for like the most grossly negligent stuff. You shouldn't be able to just walk away or leave someone to die and not face any sort of consequences.
Libby Warren, Keys News.